Throughout history, mankind has looked to the skies searching for answers. Ancient texts like the Bible are filled with celestial encounters, often described as angelic or divine. Fast forward to modern times, and we have UFO sightings, prompting a curious question. Could there be a link between these ancient angelic beings and contemporary UFO phenomena? In the book of Ezekiel, the prophet describes wheels within wheels, glowing with the color of beryl, a description eerily reminiscent of some UFO sightings today. These wheels are accompanied by beings described as the seraphim, radiating divine glory. Consider figures like Enoch, Elijah, and Jesus. Their ascensions have long been considered miraculous. But what if they were taken up by advanced beings in what we now call UFOs? Could it be that our ancestors lacked the vocabulary and understanding to describe these experiences accurately? The lines between angels, demons, and aliens blur when we examine their characteristics. Could it be that what we once interpreted as angelic guidance or demonic interference is actually extraterrestrial intervention? And if so, might these beings communicate through beams of light and frequencies beyond our comprehension? The world's ancient wonders, like the pyramids and Stonehenge, have long baffled historians. Could the precision and complexity of these structures hint at alien involvement? And the worship of gods in ancient cultures, could these gods have been misunderstood extraterrestrial entities? In our quest for understanding, it's essential to remain open-minded. The stories and accounts passed down through generations may hold more truths than we realize. As technology advances and our understanding of the universe deepens, perhaps we're inching closer to deciphering the mysteries of our past. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Remember, the universe is vast, and the answers may be closer than we think.